Hello and welcome to my channel. You are not going to believe this. One of my videos went from a £7.46 CPM to over £73. That is a 10 times increase, okay? And today I'm going to show you the analytics. Follow me, let's do this together. Here is the video in question and I will go for see more, okay? From analytics, I will go click on see more. So when I get here, what I will do is to go for the drop down menu here beside the more, okay, and then go select date. Then after that, I will go for this drop down here beside first 24 hours. I will have to go select since uploaded. Okay, so when I get here, the next thing I'm going to do here is to go for the plus symbol here and go select CPM. Okay, what is CPM? CPM is the cost advertisers pay per 1,000 ad views on a video. Okay, while when we get to RPM, I will explain that as well. So if you have a look here, you will see the CPM. Let's see from here, 7.46, 7.6, 7.67, 7.75, 7.80. You can see the increase. You can see the increase. Okay, you can see the increase. And here I got £73.29. Okay, the video generated 6 views on that day, and I made 28 pence that particular day. You have a look and see the RPM. Let's go for plus symbol again and select RPM. So RPM here is the actual revenue a creator earns per 1,000 views, okay, after YouTube's 45% cut. So if you have a look and see here, I have my RPM is even greater than my CPM here on this very day, okay? And the video generated just 1 view. Had it been I got 2,000 views on this very day, I would have made £140 on this very day. You can see the RPM here. The CPM was £73 plus, okay, while the RPM was 47. So have a look and see, is this not wonderful? And I'm rooting for more views on this video because I will earn a lot if YouTube is gonna push this video to as many viewers there as possible who are interested on how to log background image in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so far this video has generated over 3,000 views. Okay, and have a look, I just made £5.88 from this video. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you found this interesting, please drop a like and let me know your highest CPM in the comments. Thanks for watching and God bless you. I will be uploading more videos on some of my videos that are doing well. So thank you for watching and God bless you.